Hi, it's Fazana here. Welcome to another new topic on my Fazmaths channel. The recent 9-to-1 Edexcel or AQA curriculum now includes learning all about determining the equation of a circle, finding the center of a circle and the radius of a circle from the equation, and combining circle theorems with the tangent. This topic is in the AS level, Core 2. So we're getting smarter earlier. Let's have a look at the basic concepts. So if you have, anytime you have x squared plus y squared equals a number, yeah, then the center of the circle will be 0, 0. Okay? But if you have the center being AB, then using Pythagoras, you know that that x minus a squared plus y minus b squared will be r squared. Yeah, so that's your r. Okay, yeah, so the center of the circle will actually be, you change the sign. So if it's x minus a, the center will be a. If it's y minus b, the center will be b. Okay, yeah, so it's quite easy to identify. All right, let's have a look at a simple one. Okay, so if we have x squared plus y squared equals 25, then you know, as I mentioned, your center will just be 0, 0. Okay, because there's nothing attached to the x and the y. And you can tell the radius will be the square root of the 25. So that 25 is actually radius squared. Yeah, and you can tell that's the center there. And then the radius is 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah, all right, good. This one's the easiest one to remember. So as long as you remember this one, yeah, a lot of questions are the center is 0, 0. Okay, where it's not, it's still quite easy. Okay, here the equation is, let's just write it again, x minus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 36. Okay, so to find the center, you just change the sign. So you know the center will be 4 minus 1. Okay, and you can see that's the point 4 minus 1. Okay, and then the radius will be the square root of 36, which is 6. And you can tell the difference between the 4 minus 1 and this point on the circumference of 4, 5. Difference between minus 1 and 5 is 6. Yeah, so you can see the radius is 6. Okay, so at its simplest, it's really simple. Okay, now what they could tell you is they could give you this, and you've got x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 6y equals 12. And because you know you have to get it in the form of x squared, x plus something squared plus y minus something squared equals a number, yeah, then when you're looking at your x's, you can see in order to get it into that x plus something squared, you have to complete the square. So let's complete the square for the x's. So you've got x plus half of that all squared minus half of that squared, and we'll do the same for the y. So you've got plus y minus half of that all squared minus half of that squared, and then you've got equals 12. Okay, yeah, so let's just put our x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared, and let's do our numbers. So we've got minus 4 there, we've got minus 9 there, so we're actually going to add 13, yeah? So 12 plus 13 equals 25. So can you see, it was really quite easy. As I said, that looked really ugly, and we've just made it pretty, yeah? So your center, change the sign, it'll be minus 2, 3, and the radius is square root of 25, which is 5. Okay, let's just check that. Can you see you've got x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 25. The center is minus 2, 3. That point there is minus 2, 8. And you can tell the difference is 5. All right, yeah, good. As simple as that. Okay, now it's testing time. You get given the following equations and you have to find out what the center is and the radius is. So pause the video, try doing them, and then in the next slide I'll give you the answers. Okay, next slide coming up. Okay, so if you had that, you can tell you're changing the sign, so the center is minus 5, 2. And the radius is the square root of 49, yeah, which is 7. Here the center is 1, 4, and the radius is 4. Here the center is minus 2, 8, and then the radius is surd 50, yeah, so the square root of 50, and I just simplified it to surd 25, surd 2, which would give you 5 surd 2. Okay, yeah. This one here, you can see the center will be 6, and then minus 1, and the radius will be surd 32, so that's surd 16, surd 2, and then when you simplify it, it becomes 4 surd 2. Okay, yeah, I hope you got them all right. Okay, let's do a test on the odd-looking one. So find the equation of the circle indicating the center and the radius of the circle. So again, pause, try and do it, and I'll show it to you on the next slide. Okay? Okay, let's go through it. So you're collecting all your like terms together. So you've got x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 4y minus 4 equals 0. So you complete the square, so you've got x minus half of that all squared minus half of that squared, and the same for y, so plus y plus half of that all squared minus half of that squared minus 4. Then when you collect all the like terms, you've got minus 1 here, minus 4 here, and you've got the minus 4 there. So that's minus 8 minus 9. You add 9 on the other side and you get that here. Change the signs. So your center is 1. Oops, sorry. It's supposed to be plus, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so your center is 1 minus 2. And then the radius is the square root of 9, which is 3. Okay, yeah. That was the basic concepts. I hope that was easy to understand. If not, then please just watch the video again, yeah, so that we can move on to part 2, where we look at some more challenging exam questions. And once you're good with the basics, it should be a breeze. Keep practicing, keep working hard, and remember, you're in control. Until next time, take care. Bye.